No. We couldn't, play as we wanted to. And I think it all started when we had Blade taken out of the squad before even one. It was unfortunate we lost him, but we thought others could, stand in and play as Blade has been doing. But things couldn't work as we planned.
So just
it's important. I think when you have some of the best of your squad, taken out through injuries and minor illness, even though we've registered 30 players, but hey, we all know who our best players are, and that is a fact. We know everybody can play, but to some extent, others, do better than others. That is why we have our starting 11. But saying that, those who came up did their best. Just that maybe it may not be enough. When we went in, for the first time I really spoke to them. I think I was a bit harsh, and we have to go back, hit the grounds running, and get things properly organized and done, because we need to do better than this. Our fans and supporters deserve better than we did today. I must be honest.
Right.
Yes, last 2 weeks, correct. I think it's a team here know that your supporters, team no NCP. Team supporters need be a team. I think and then to some extent, Anchor supporters will more. I think it's because it got to a time we needed that push, and we did push them from the dugout, and then I think the supporters sometimes get the opponents confused in the way. So I think that factor there, whether we like it or not, affected him. But then you have to say, supporters attack him. But I think the supporter be a incident in the course now or honor or can I think so be a between home. I also a down but a poor match. Say near Mamu Yadia, or more the better team, as I find into my friend. But Omo Dikan a year to trust a missa at the team no call and here and the best supporters. They are mobile. I mean, Yafa near Mam Kakra, the best racer, support no dear be here, but violence na the attaching. They be here no free, maybe because you are my.
Okay.
There's no doubt about it, but we all know saying easy, sir. But we have to, give our supporters better than we are doing at home. I know they are uncanny. It was because he wasn't playing to instructions. First half, and I started we started him from the left side, knowing very well the kind of style of player that is why we put Mensane. The second half, we've watched us go over and over. Scout back, we know them very well. In himself, one error on the committee, and it did happen, but we wasted it.
Is your question answered?
Augustine Onyaye Kakra, and he was out for about 2 weeks now. That is why we didn't start him. Others stood in and did very well until he came. So it was just very obvious that he cannot walk straight into the squad again. So it was better for us to start him from the bench. So I think he really gave us something. I mean, now pressure no I'll go for the super until said like the final touches and but generally speaking, what the problem I think with Augustine is a recovery. Yeah, and a slow kakra, in our opinion. So we let him work on that.
Right. Inconsistency. Do you agree?
Yes, at home, draws, does, in my opinion, and I agree with you on that. But it's better to draw than to lose. Chelsea we share and yeah the crowd. Liberty wanted to do that, but in the last minute, in your equalizer. America is always better to draw than to lose, especially at home. But that is not to say we are okay with the draw games at home. Idika can previously said our supporters deserve better than we are doing at home at the moment. We can't continue to perform like this at home. That one, we will do everything in our power to get the team to the level that we think our supporters deserve, especially when we are playing at home. We will work it out.
Right. You see,
the materials at our disposal are the ones we are going to use. But I think our medical team are working around the clock to get him back on his feet as soon as I think they can. And saying that, Adolf Frimpong may be ready for Wednesday. But Mudasiru, we still cannot tell. He's also on his way back. He started training 2-3 days ago. So let's see what happens in the coming days. But yes, Blay is a player we definitely miss today. We have our best 11. Everybody is available. Let's say nobody is injured, nobody is sick. We have our Sunday 11. But as a team, we try as much as we can to encourage or equip every player, because we have 30 players registered. We can't depend on a very few. So we play a lot of friendly matches to get everybody to his maximum best. So at any given time, look at what happened today. If these guys are not stood in for those who are injured and sick, what would have happened? So a very good team is a team that has a rich bench. And I think to some extent, we don't have Mudasiru, we don't have Adolf Frimpong, we didn't get play today. 3 key players were out. So we have to use the ones that were available. And I think they did their best, even though it wasn't the best.
okay.
Yes, he about draw home. I'm not happy because he about draw. And we had the brightest chance also to make it 1-0. And I to me, I utilize the opportunity by him. But football there, I don't know. Yes, player and a 50-50 of Niti Kwama goalkeeper crash and draw against Liberty. The same person. And here we are, when you open net, I say the opponent will not avoid this. It happens in football. You can never tell. These things, you can't explain it. This one is not the ones we have are the ones at the moment. Science I just say already we have one in our camp and he's doing well. So that is how we.
Right.
I will say another arguments and this class in that is part of your job. But yeah, not yet. Yeah, single out players and yeah, team not as single. It take a decision Biana. You know what we consider first? We consider the team and the supporters. Decision never take here. Supporters who we are here for never benefit all. Not ever benefiting the individual player, but ever benefiting the team as a whole. And some narrow it down about players because
Right.
The situation comes up, you have to think about the general supporters, the team no achita for the team nankasa. The benefit team no. If we no answer about who is our first 11 or first whatever.
And also come. Junior made a much be a sana medeba. Ha, the Pia, Misana Mebon, but I don't know of other players.
Performance no say again I'm going here mambo.
To me, no, performance was no good. Our performance was no good because at home there, by all means, I was a winning match. na we so a match bia ye wini anka yakọ that top ntina ye na ye dream say be wini match we na yakọ that top nti the SC park ni so de ndem to
I will say another what discuss in that is part of your job. But yeah, not yet. Yeah, single out players and yeah, I'm team not single. A take a decision Biana. You know what we consider first? We consider the team and the supporters. Decision never take here. Supporters who we are here for many benefit all. Not ever benefiting the individual player, but ever benefiting the team as a whole. And some, I wrote it down about players because
right.